नमस्कार। आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आज के दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं एक छोटे से संस्कृत के श्लोक के साथ। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामय, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुख भाग भवेत्। सभी जन सुख रहें, सुखी रहें, सभी निरोगी रहें, सभी साक्षी बने सुख के और किसी को कोई दुख ना हो। आइए अब चलते हैं अपने सब्जेक्ट की साइड में। आशा करते हैं कि सभी निरोगी रहें इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड के ड्यूरिंग, और सभी अपने घर पे स्वस्थ रहें। नाउ we discuss about the fuel cell in today's video. In our previous video we have discussed about the primary and secondary cells, and this one is the third cell called fuel cells. Fuel cells are the cells in which the electrical energy is formed by the combustion of the fuels. So many types of the different fuel we have which on combustion give electrical energy. We can form electrical energy by the combustion of that fuel. But in today's video we will discuss about the hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, H2O2 fuel cell. This is the construction of the fuel cell. We have the two compartment, one is in the right side and one is in the left side. In this side we are pressurizing the H2 gas in this compartment, and in this compartment we are inserting the oxygen gas O2. These two we have a porous electrode made of the carbon. One is anode, another one is cathode. These are porous in nature, and we have inserted a suitable catalyst between the electrodes. In the electrodes we have the catalyst PT or PD, platinum and platinum we can insert. Clear? In the hydrogen side, this one, the electrode is negatively charged and this one is a positive charged oxygen side electrode. Between the electrode we have a concentrated KOH solution which acts as the electrolyte. When the gaseous phase plus PT as a catalyst and aqueous phase KOH combines with each other, at the anode side, hydrogen gas which is in gaseous form, hydroxide ion which is in aqueous form, and platinum which is in solid form. When these three phases combines with each other, it changes into water plus 4 electron are used. In this side, oxidation state of the hydrogen is 0, but in this side oxidation state of the hydrogen is +1. So we have 4 hydrogen which changes its oxidation state from 0 to +1. So the 4 electrons are used by the hydrogen. Clear bachcho? Now the electrons move from the negative terminal to positive terminal. Spontaneous flow of the electron is from negative terminal to positive terminal. In the cathode side we have oxygen gas plus platinum as a catalyst plus aqueous concentrated KOH solution. O2 plus water plus 4 electrons changes into 4 OH negative ion, 4 hydroxide ions. Clear? In this side oxidation state of the oxygen is 0, but in this side oxidation state of oxygen is -2. So the 2 oxygen changes its oxidation state from 0 to -2. When oxidation state changes from 0 to -2, it gains 2 electrons, but we have 2 oxygen, so the 2 oxygen gives 4 number of the electrons. These are the anode reaction. This one is the anode reaction and this one is the cathode reactions. We can add and make the overall reaction. In overall reaction, we have 4 electron to 4 electron cancel out, 4 hydroxide ion to 4 hydroxide ion cancel out, 4 to 2 mole cancel out. We have 2 mole in the product side. So it resultant equation will become 2H2 plus O2 changes into 2S2. Means in the overall reaction we get the water. We get the water. Clear? Now, what is the advantage of this cell? Clear? We will see here. We know about the efficiency of any machine, any engine is output upon में input into में 100. Output work upon में input work into में 100. Clear? According to the second law of thermodynamics, we cannot construct a machine which can give 100% efficiency because some energy is lost during the process. So same output we do not get. So output work is delta G, useful work. Input work is total change in enthalpy into 100. And we know delta G is useful work and useful work is electrical work and electrical work is charge into my potential. We have discussed about this equation also in previous videos. So the delta G becomes minus NF A naught of cell upon delta H into my 100. Number of electron for the 1 mole of water is 2, charge is 96500 into my potential of this cell is 1.23 volt. Total change in enthalpy is minus 285.8 kilojoule per mole. Let it be clear. This enthalpy is in kilojoule per mole and this one is also in kilojoule per mole. Fine. We get 83% efficiency. This is very much high efficiency, I think so. Because in generally thermal power plants is 40% efficient. Because in those plants, first we combust the fuel and that fuel is used to make the steam of water and that steam will then rotate the turbine and we get the electrical energy. That is the too long process. Clear? So the efficiency is lost, some energy is used during that process. But in this cell, we have 83% efficiency calculated, but experimentally it gives nearly 60% efficiency. That is also very much high in comparison to the power plant. Second one is, in this cell, we do not have any polluting substance. So it is eco-friendly in nature. Efficiency is high. Clear? One more thing. This cell is used in the space astronauts satellites because during the first is the efficiency is high, second is the pollution free, and third one is, that is also important, during the process we get the water. So there is no need to take the water for the drinking purpose by the space astronauts. Clear? These are the advantages, but some disadvantages also, because the PT and PD that we used as a catalyst are expensive in nature. So the cost of the cell will be high. Second one is, it is very difficult to combine the 3 phase at a time: gaseous, aqueous and solid state. Clear? Cell is operate at the 70 to 140 degrees Celsius. This is not disadvantage. Clear? Cell operates from 70 to 140 degree Celsius. So this one is the fuel cell construction, then working, then advantage and some disadvantage. Fine, bachcho. This is all for today. Thank you.